So how you can make $500 per day as an affiliate promoting weight loss products on ClickBank. Now please stay until end of this video, because I'm going to give you some special, let's say, secret details that you can utilize as soon as now or today to start having better results as an affiliate and start getting closer to, if you're not yet there, right, closer to $500 per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Let me tell you something, right? As you watch this video, you know that there are many gurus on ClickBank, right? Many course owners, gurus who are selling people the idea that you can utilize three-step process. You just set up the landing page, set up the Facebook ad or Google ad or YouTube ad, and send people straight to the offer, and you're going to make money, right? Yes, it works. You can make that money that way. But what happens when the ad network cancels you, when the ad gets shut down, right? When your YouTube ad doesn't work anymore, when your Facebook ad doesn't work, when your Google ad doesn't work, what happens, right? You make zero money, you make zero commissions. So if you really want, listen to me closely please, if you really want to make this $500 per day or more as an affiliate, then watch this video until the end, right? I'm going to share with you some of the secrets that usually guru affiliates I'm not sharing with you. Why? Because then why would they make courses, right? It doesn't make sense, right? So look at this example. We have the BioFit offer, right? This offer is for women above 40 years old. So commission is 75%. So earning per click is $3, right? So it means that if you send 1,000 people to the link, you make $3 per click, right? So it means that you make $3,000 US for 1,000 people who you send to click on the affiliate link, right? So not so bad, right? You make $3,000 to send people, 1,000 people click on this link, and you make $3,000 when they buy, right? So great way to make money online, right? But now what is the traffic source, right? What would you use? I said before, if you remember, right? I said that it's hard if your Facebook ad gets shut down, because then you make zero money, right? You make zero commissions. So let me share with you the concept I'm using over here. So forget ads and all the ClickBank gurus, all the bullshit you have been told all these years, right? Forget all of this stuff and focus on one thing. You see, richest companies in the world like Facebook, Google, YouTube, right? TikTok, Amazon, they're all selling data and retain context. All of them are selling data and retaining context, right? Clients. So what this tells you? This tells you you should start capturing email lists. You should start building your own email list. Why? Because look at these companies. Look on, for example, look on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Amazon. All of them are asking you to put your email address. Why you think that's the reason? Why? Right? You go to Facebook, you create your free account, they will immediately ask you to put in your email address, right? Email. Why? Because the email is the asset. It's like the real estate, right? When you go out and buy the land and buy the house, you own that, right? It's yours. It's yours, right? It's on your name. Same thing with email lists, right? No one can screw with you. Like Facebook can shut me down tomorrow. Google can shut me down tomorrow. YouTube can cancel my account tomorrow or delete all the videos that I have on this channel. Yet I can still make money if I have my own email list. You see, this is the backup plan if you want the internet marketing retirement plan, right? How you can retire as an affiliate marketer? The only way you can retire is if you have the email list, right? And what is the most important? Let me show you with you here. Get your first 10,000 subscribers to the email list. Why? Because if you have 10,000 subscribers and you don't own any of your own courses, any of your own services, any of your own products, you can still make at least minimum $500 US dollars per day, every single day, as an affiliate promoting ClickBank products. Do you think I'm lying? Let me give you the simple example. You have 10,000 subscribers on the email list, right? Now look at this. Let me go back to ClickBank. You see, this supplement is paying 75% commissions. So it means that you are getting $120 per sale, right? And earning per click, as you can see on this screen, please, is $3 per click, earning per click, right? So let's say we have 1,000 people only. We only sent 1,000 people, right? Or we sent 10,000 people in this case. We sent 10,000 people to this link, and only 1,000 people open our email, and only 1,000 people purchase the product, right? So we earn approximately, in these 1,000 people, right, we earn $3,000, right? So it means that out of 1,000 people who click, not everyone bought, not 1,000 people bought the product, right? But yet we make $3,000, right? So ask yourself, how much more you could be making if you really start making affiliate marketing as a serious long-term business, not just a get-rich-quick scheme, right? So take it as it is, right? Listen to someone who tried everything before. Ads, emails. The best thing is still building your email list, right? Most people are lazy. They don't want to hear this, but yeah, this is the secret if you want to get the results. Ask yourself, have you ever before bought any expensive high-ticket course? Have you? What all of these gurus who are saying you don't need email lists are telling you? They're all selling you some hero course or some commission stuff, right? Hero or whatever product, which is very expensive, and telling you don't need any email list, right? Right? It's all bullshit. So you have to remember this. You need email lists. Email is the asset, is the basic thing, like direct mail, right? In direct sales, you need direct marketing. You need to have, let's say, email list. You need to have the asset, right? So if you're watching this video and if you want to get the results and start building your own email list, having the right lead magnets, the right lead capture pages, and the $5 per day ad on Google, then let me know. Below this video, I'm going to share the links to my social media accounts, WhatsApp and email, where you can reach out to me personally, or even give me a phone call, schedule a call with me, or just DM me a text and start setting up your own affiliate marketing business. Maybe you don't want $500 per day, that's okay. Maybe you want additional 100 euros per day or 200 euros per day, right? All this makes sense. As you can see over here, it's not a magic build to have 2 sales per day, right? Super affiliates are having 100 or 300 sales per day. So you don't have to be a super affiliate to make 200 euros per day, right? You can have only 2 sales, right? 2 sales. It means that out of 10,000 people, you only have 2 sales, you still make $250, right? So in this case, it's around, let's say, $8,000 to $9,000 per month as an affiliate. No ads, right? Just email list. So if you want to know how to put these emails together, how to put campaigns together, how to do follow-up emails, then click the links below this video, reach out to me, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more helpful tips and start having results, yes, results, as an affiliate promoting ClickBank products.